So what has been really lovely and surprising, continues to be surprising, is that I get emails almost every day from clinicians around the world who have found their way to my book and have read my book and want to tell me some experience they've had either on their own with their own understanding of the nervous system or with their clients. And the thing I hear the most from clinicians is about the latter. And when they do that first personal profile map, there is an astounding change that happens with their clients. So that was surprising to me, continues to be surprising, and yet that ability to map the system and then have that as an anchor to continue to go back and say, so where are you on your ladder right now? That brings that alive in the session seems to be what therapists are most excited about and are telling me about. So another thing that's been really lovely is that I get emails from clients who have found their way to my book, and some of them have taken my book to their therapists and asked therapists to do the maps with them, and therapists seem to be really willing to do that because growing a body of people who are polyvagal informed is an ongoing process. But so I get emails from people who are clients around the world and just want to let me know that when they mapped their system, they had this aha moment of understanding that whatever had happened in their life fit on this map. And they went from thinking they were broken or bad to saying, this is my biology working to keep me safe. And I just have these really powerful and heartwarming moments in my inbox many times a week.